Welcome. Today we're going to show you this version of Vanguard requires secure boot and how to fix this issue. So if you want to actually play Valorant and you have this issue, the first thing that you need is to actually have Valorant installed. After that, you need to right click on the game and click on show more options on your Windows 11. If you're on Windows 10, it will look like this. After that, open file location. And from here you need to find the exe file for the game. It will look like this. So after that you need to right click it and hit on show more options and click on properties. So from here you can actually go to the compatibility tab as you see from here, and you can click on change settings for all users. Now you need to hit on run the program in compatibility mode as see from here, and you need to make sure it's Windows 8. After that, check the box for run this program as an administrator and hit on apply and OK. Hit on OK. So the next step after this is to actually open the settings. As see from here, just open the start menu and search for the settings. After that, you need to go to privacy and security. From here, open Windows Security. After that, click on virus and threat protection. So sometimes this problem will be because your real-time protection is turned off, so Valorant won't let you open up the game unless your computer environment is very safe and doesn't have any malware. Also sometimes you may have actually malware on your PC or viruses, so that is the problem. So from here you need to actually click on manage settings from virus and threat protection. After that, you need to make sure that real-time protection is turned on. So after all of this, you can just click on the start menu and click on the bar options and hit on restart. Now, while the PC is actually starting, you need to enter the BIOS mode. So you need to click the right key on your PC or laptop. After that, it will turn on BIOS mode. After that, from your BIOS settings, you need to go to advanced mode and you need to find secure boot. You need to actually turn it on, and now you need to save the settings and start your Windows again. After that, now hopefully you can start Valorant without any problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.